Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a wash and go using mousse. This is part one of a two-part video. This video will be showing me applying the product and using mousse for my wash and go. Part two will be showing how I stretch my curls. My hair has already been washed and deep conditioned. It was in mini twists for a month and I've already moisturized my scalp. I always use the Pattern Beauty Scalp Serum. I'm just gonna start the back of my head. I don't think that this is going to take a long time. Wash and goes typically tend to be a quick style for me. I'm using the Camille Rose Spiked Honey Mousse for my wash and go. I love this stuff. If you're not big on strong smells, you might want to reconsider this product because it does have a very strong scent, but I love it. And I get a lot of compliments on how my hair smells when I use this product. With this mousse, I have a spray bottle back there just in case I might need it. Just making sure that my hair is like nice and smooth from root to tip. I'm already done with the first section. I just love this. Like, I love anything that has me zooming through my hair. I'm at the point now where like I love experimenting with new styles. So when it comes to my basics, such as my wash and goes and my braid outs, those are two styles that I'm not going to spend a lot of time on just because these are like just basic styles. I don't want to spend an hour on a wash and go. So when I find products that has me finishing my wash and goes in 30 minutes, 35 minutes tops, this is what we love to see. I'm always experimenting with newer styles. So when I'm doing like intricate styles, I expect those to take a little longer. But as far as your basic routine, I want it to be basic and the time it takes to do as well. I skipped ahead to the second section of my head. I know it looks like a lot, but I promise I'm not using a lot of product. It's just, it really foams up. I like to kind of like run my hands through everything once I'm done with this section, just to make sure that it's clumping together nicely. Going back through the sections and raking it through, making some parts shingled, especially my sections where I know I have multiple curl patterns. But other than that, I kind of like for it to be chunky. I feel like that's the best way that I can describe it. As it dries, it will begin to shrink up. And I feel like it's already starting to shrink up now on this side. I'm just let that t-shirt fall for now. Now, if I want my hair to be super duper defined, I will use a gel. But I'm kind of getting to the point where I just want to accept my hair for what it is. Look at my hair. Look at how this is without any product on it. My hair is big as fuck. So when I style with a wash and go, I use products that aren't extremely heavy. Yeah, my hair is gonna have volume. So with this, my hair has volume, but it also has definition. If I want to not stretch my hair and I want my hair to remain in a shrunken state, I do that. If I want to stretch my hair, I stretch my hair. It honestly just depends on how I'm feeling that week. For my face, I'm so proud of how far my face is coming. I've been using some skincare products. If you're interested in a video on that, I can update you. My skin is not perfect. I deal with hormonal acne, I have PCOS, and it makes taking care of my skin a lot of work. And it's not always fun, but I'm finding methods that are really helping keep down my breakouts. This is so off topic, but there are no new breakouts. we're on the last section. I could stop right there, but I'm not. I'm gonna make sure that the product is thoroughly on all my strands. All right, so I'm all done. What I've learned about mousse in my hair is that I cannot go and diffuse this. So I'm going to let my hair 100% air dry. Then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like 100% dry. It is the next morning. I love using this mousse for my wash and goes. That's how it looks. It's the perfect balance of definition and volume. I'm gonna get more volume once I stretch and shape my hair, which will be in part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for that. But for reference, I'll put up a screenshot or screen recording of how my hair turned out the first time I tried mousse last year using a product that didn't have as much hold. And I believe some people in the comments actually mentioned that nowhere on the bottle did it say that the product was for wash and goes, which was true. They were right. I didn't know much about mousses at the time and the differences between like what they worked for and stuff, because I usually would only use like foam wrap lotion and mousses for like flexi rod sets and stuff. But this one, she's for multi-use. So you could leave your hair like this. And sometimes when I don't feel like doing anything, I do leave my hair like this. But I want to take it a step further because I haven't worn my hair out in so long that I want her to come out with a bang. So that's what we're gonna do. But I am going to end this video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to stay tuned for the next video. I'll be showing how I stretch my hair and how I shape it and get that wow. It's the wow wash and go. All right, I'll see you guys in that one.